If you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Hello everyone! Hi! We are going to pick up some food. What should we have for dinner? Should we order it in the Chinese place or should we make a dinner? We're planning to get some just gonna walk first, okay? Just to let you know, we're gonna walk Peanut first and then we're gonna have to decide what's for dinner tonight. Any suggestion what to eat? Let's go. Oh, we're gonna have to walk first. And I'm with my daughter, Peanut. We're going to Superstore. We're gonna walk there. Let's see. This is a nice weather today. We're walking a little bit early today with the sun up. Hey, daughter, say something. Say hello. Hello, she's shy. Oh my goodness. We don't have a car. Can we not buy? Now. Oh, ate. Ate's calling you. Go to ate.
More the last 2 years in his entire life.
Yeah. Why not?
Surely.
Finally have a nice weather. Since it's a nice weather, we decided to walk like the neighborhood. So very sunny. And it's still my daughter behind me there. It's nice, pretty houses. We're on our way home now, and we're starving. We're thinking of getting some food. Maybe we decided Chinese food, but last minute, I don't know where we're gonna end up with what food. What happened?
You off?
Oh, you look like Snoopy here.
Oh, take a picture.
I am. Come here, look.
Because it works. Our house is the biggest house.
Yeah. Peanut! Peanut, you want this car? Oh my goodness, it's a thriller.
Oh yeah, this is Peanut.
this is Wade.
Hey, Wade.
Hey.
You have such pretty eyes. Oh my gosh. Wow.
They're cute.
Isn't it perfect?
Black dragon roll.
Oh, and this one? California. Yes, we're excited to get this. Open this one.
I don't think they were really busy.
Then it's quick.
Really quick.
Yeah, we ended up getting this one. What do you call this again?
That's black dragon roll.
Oh, and this one? California. That. Yummy. And salad. Why not? Okay, great. We decided to order sushi instead of cooking for tonight's dinner. Let's eat and enjoy! If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!